Tesla's cathode plant is the first and only one of its kind in North America.
Cathode is the lifeblood of an electric vehicle. Most of the performance in the cell really comes from the high nickel-rich chemistry in our cathode material that really enables us to maximize energy density and extend the range of our vehicles.
Tesla has done a really outstanding job in terms of being efficient in both how we do things and also what we do. We plan to be 74% more efficient on a greenhouse gas basis compared to our tier 1 suppliers.
Our cathode process starts by mixing precursor, which is composed of nickel, manganese, and cobalt, as well as lithium hydroxide.
We then densify our raw material before we send it through the kiln. It's then processed to remove magnetic impurities to produce our final cathode active material.
This ensures energy independence both for Tesla and the United States for generations to come.